Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to Bybit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 airdrop trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100, it really helps out the channel and it's free money, so there's really no reason not to do it. Check that out down below and sign up. Click through on the link and you'll come to this page. All you have to do is click here, register to claim. You could sign up, it takes like 5 minutes, deposit $100, you don't even have to use the $100, you just have to deposit it, and then you'll be able to claim your airdrop voucher as you can see down here. Once you've got that, you can use it on any one of these pairs here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, Doge, loads of good pairs here that could potentially do really well. I've personally done this myself on another account, and I've basically put a 3x long in from the current place on the charts that Dogecoin's at, for a long position up to around $1. I think my liquidation price is around 7 cents, which I think is a really good trade to be honest, and in my opinion very unlikely to be hit again from the current position. If we do go up and hit that fabled $1 level, I think I'll make like 15k or something from a free airdrop position that was basically given to me completely for free just for depositing $100. And I do think it's fairly likely that we go up towards those prices for Dogecoin in the next bull market. So really interesting stuff, definitely worth a look. Basically a free, potentially amazing opportunity to make some gains in this crypto market with, you know, I would say a reasonably small leverage long position on a crypto that's going to move 5 or 10x. It's going to make you a nice sizable bag with a reasonably low chance of liquidation. And hey, even if you do get liquidated, it's covered by Bybit completely, so you're not even losing any money. So with all that being said, we're taking a look at Polygon today then. As you can see, we are coming down testing the lows of this local area that we've been consolidating in. As you can see, very clear retap again at these lows. You can see pretty much we've come down, tested this support trend line that we've been in for a while. We've obviously broken out of our local downtrend resistance. I've talked about this a lot in the other videos as well, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside in the altcoin market that we've seen for basically every single altcoin. This is not just Polygon, Veracity, VeChain, whatever. This is the whole altcoin market moving together, and they obviously don't look exactly the same, but they're all doing pretty much similar things. Big altcoin movement to the downside. These 5 waves to the downside we've seen for altcoins across the market. You can see Polygon here has come down again to this area of support. Obviously this is a previous area towards the bear market range low where we are coming down for a retest. You can see obviously we got a really nice bounce back in 2022, and since then we were going sideways in a range, but we did come down here. We broke down, back tested, and come down again for a continued sell-off for Polygon. Obviously Bitcoin is still chopping sideways, making everyone think the bull market's not going to happen. People are selling off, but we are in a very severe area of demand right now for Polygon in my opinion. And you can see we've cleanly broken out, back tested, and now waiting for that reversal of this downtrend resistance here as well. Huge bullish divergences at these lows here. Massive amount of demand compared to supply in this area in my estimation as well. I do think Polygon and a lot of other cryptos as well are going to start reversing around in a really nice way from this local area. Right now Polygon just looking like it's chilling, bouncing at the lows support as you would expect. I do think we'll probably be heading back up towards this 50 to 60 cent area once we do start to see the whole altcoin market reversing around. Right now we're just chilling and waiting for that to happen. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up to Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing just $100. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, Alpha X down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.